camera angle this time to see if you can make it. Not sure which one will work best, so I'm trying them both. I've sunk my needle down, brought my bottom thread up, and then sunk my needle down again in exactly where I want it. I've pinned this flat back to where I want it to go, and that's it. Couple of stitches just to lock your thread off and right around the edge. Remember, take your pin out, you don't want to sew over it. This shows how quick this bit is to do. It's the quilting that takes the time. In case anyone is wondering, I've got my machine set on 2.5 inch. I've got my machine set to 2.5 for the stitch length, and I'm on a straight stitch. See, your seam ripper is your friend. I do like these type of paddy cushion covers though. I think they are really, really stunning. Especially those I made for my mother. The colours I did them were fantastic. These are quite good, but I've got no use for them because there's no blue in my living room at all, so I've not got a use for them. I just like doing them. So these, when they're made into cushion covers, are going to go for sale on my Etsy shop. And I'll put a link to my Etsy shop in the description below. That one done, and you possibly, if I got it in the right place, yep, you'd possibly make out my stitches because I've used white cotton, so it does show up on these at times. But thank you, bye.